What's the meaning of crossbar? Crossbar. Crossbar.
Crossbar. Crossbar. Crossbar can refer to a variety of things, depending on the context. In the context of computing, a crossbar switch is a type of digital circuit that allows multiple inputs to be connected to multiple outputs in a flexible way. This type of switch is often used in computer networking and telecommunications applications to route data between devices. Crossbar also refers to a type of weightlifting exercise where the lifter holds a barbell with weights at each end and lifts it to their shoulders before pressing it overhead.